Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You can add a small amount, half a teaspoon for small dogs, 2 teaspoons for large dogs, of olive or coconut oil to their food to help with mild constipation, but be careful in dogs who need a low-fat diet. 1 November 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Fiber. Bananas have a high fiber content important to your dog's digestive system. Fiber moves food along the intestinal tract, helping to resolve constipation, diarrhea, and some blockages that can occur. 3 August 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Laxatives. Laxatives or stool softeners should only be prescribed by the vet. Never give a dog human laxatives, which will be far too strong for them and risk creating complications. Dog constipation can affect many dogs, but can be managed by appropriate treatment.
Take our lead.
On the opposite end of the spectrum, pumpkin can also help with constipation in dogs. The Merck Veterinary Manual states that adding 1 to 4 tablespoons of pumpkin per meal to the diet of a dog suffering from constipation can help ease mild constipation. 12 April 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Sweet potato is a safe, healthy, and natural treat for dogs, offering a range of health benefits and a sweet flavor they'll likely love. For example, sweet potatoes support a healthy digestive system thanks to their high dietary fiber content. They're also low in fat and contain essential vitamins like B6, C, and A. 6 November 2019.
Take our lead.
Is olive oil good for dogs? It sure is. Extra virgin olive oil is an excellent source of monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. That means the same olive oil that's good for you can be just as good for your furry friend. 4 August 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.